Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the topic, that is we are revising the topics, that is nutrition. Nutrition topic we are discussing for FA1. So all of you pay attention here, and if it possible, note down how the questions will come for FA1. So like these questions only I'll give you, not direct questions. The maximum direct questions I won't give it to you. Okay. Okay. So, what is the topic? Nutrition, the food supplying system. So, in the topic, what the points we discussed there? Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So, regarding to that only, I'm going to ask you the questions. So, autotrophic nutrition, everybody knows you from the lower classes onwards, you will be answering that questions. So, what are autotrophs? So, let me, I am giving you the brief idea regarding to that topic. So, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So, autotrophic means we already know that the organisms which can able to synthesize their own food, we can call them as a autotrophs. So, here, whatever that is, will be having different life processes are there. Among them, the most important thing is the photosynthesis for plants, which won't be done by the animals. So, what is photosynthesis? Note down the definition here. So, it is the process by which autotrophic organisms use light energy to make sugar and oxygen gas from carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so this is the definition for photosynthesis. And here will be occur. Photosynthesis will be occur in plants, algae, and some prokaryotes. And it is an anabolic process, synthesis process, and it stores energy. Okay, it's stored as carbohydrates in their bodies. And if you see equation for photosynthesis, 6CO2 plus, here they had given wrong, that is 12H2O. 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of light energy and chlorophyll. What the end products will be? C6H12O6. C6H12O6 means here the carbohydrate or the glucose. A group of glucose will form a starch. So starch is a type of carbohydrate. Okay, and by releasing the oxygen gas. So this is about the photosynthesis. So what are the raw materials? So in this lesson, that is the raw materials. Whatever we discuss for photosynthesis, are they are necessary or not? So what are the raw materials required here? Means we discussed that carbon dioxide. Is it okay now? Okay. So I'll the raw materials required for, so based upon it, that is the sunlight is necessary or not? My face is not clear. Is it okay now? My side it will be okay for me. Change your place from there. Okay. So answer these the questions whatever I am now. So all of you mute first. So answer this. Let me discuss afterwards. No need of voice now. All of you are on your videos. Most of you are in off mode only. Akila, Preeti, Hamid, Lakshmi, Sandhya, Kavita, on your video. All of you are on your going to off mode, ma. Answer these questions. I am giving you exactly 5 minutes time, mama. Read the question and answer afterwards. We'll discuss. Huh? Why you are discussing that? I didn't ask you to answer the questions, some of these blanks. Silently note the answers. Who are answering there? Jitendravati, mute yourself. Mute your microphone. Last 3 minutes. Make it fast.
క్లాస్ అక్కడ మధు తాత ఈ అమ్మనకి అంటున్నాడు.
ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడుకు. కొద్దిసేపు నోర్లు మీయే, ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు 10 నిమిషాలు గాడిదలకు వస్తూనే ఉన్నావు. పెట్టుకేంటి ఆ గోరంట్ల వాళ్ళది నాకు క్లాష్ అయిపోయా. వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వాల్సిందే ఇంకా అంటే 7కే పెట్టుకేంటి నేను 6 కంటే ఇంకా కాదులే అని పెట్టుకోలే. నువ్వు కూడా సౌండ్ తగ్గి కిషోర్. ఇంకా కిషోర్ రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నా కిషోర్, నేను రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నా, యూట్యూబ్ లో పెడతా, ఇవన్నీ సౌండ్లు పోతాయి. So all of you are completed, ma? So let me discuss the answers. I'll say you the answers. Check out your answers, Amma. Okay? See here the first question, the first bit. See here, the food synthesized by the plant is stored as. Vanaja, Preeti, mute yourself, mute your microphone. All of you are on the videos. Why you are going to off mode, ma? I am not getting. Mute your microphones, Preeti. Okay, let me discuss the answers. So the food synthesized by the plant is stored as. So the answer is starch. Check your answers, ma, while I am telling. Dash at the sites of photosynthesis. Leaves. Pancreatic juice contains enzymes for carrying the process of digestion of dash and dash. What are the enzymes present here? Trypsin and amylase. The finger-like projections, trypsin, amylase, and lipase also will be present in pancreatic juice. 3 enzymes will be present here. The finger-like projections which increase the surface area in small intestine are called villi. Okay. The gastric juice contains dash acid, HCl acid, hydrochloric acid, the full form of it. The dash vitamin is synthesized by bacteria present in intestine. Very important bit. That is vitamin B12. The chemical name for vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamine. Once go through the textbook for spelling purpose. Okay, so deficiency of this vitamin B12, we can get the disease called pernicious anemia. Note it down, very important. And the energy present in the light rays is called photons. Dash regulates the exchange of gases and the loss of water vapor from leaves. Stomata. Grana are stacks of dash membranes, thylakoid membranes. Dash are the organisms capable of synthesizing food materials. Photosynthetic bacteria. The process of dash makes plants the universal food providers. Photosynthesis. So by having the photosynthesis only, the plants it will make the plants as a universal food provider. So here the 11th answer is photosynthesis. The light reaction of photosynthesis takes place dash of chloroplast. Here you have to remember, ma. Light reaction will take place in grana. So here the answer is grana. And when they will ask the dark reaction of photosynthesis takes place in stroma. So here they'll ask the light reaction. So the answer is grana. ATP and NADPH are called dash powers, assimilatory powers. Okay, so in the light reaction, the ATP and NADPH will be synthesized. Whatever they will be synthesized, they will be utilized for the synthesis of glucose, which will be done in the dark reaction. So that's why we are calling them as assimilatory powers. Finally, glucose is converted to, so a group of glucose molecules are converted to starch. Okay, dark reaction occurs in, now only we discussed, dark reactions occurs in stroma. In paramecium, food is taken in at a specific spot called, that is, for example, if you can take the amoeba won't have like mouth, anus like that. But even the paramecium is a unicellular organism, but it will be having a particular, that is a mouth-like organ. We can't say the organ, a specific place is there. We are calling it as a cytostome. Okay, and so in paramecium, food is taken in at a specific spot called cytostome. Next, Cuscuta reflexa. The common name for it is a dodder plant. It is a parasitic plant. Remember, ma, it is a parasitic plant. Okay, so it can absorb food through hastoria. So they will be acting like a roots, but here the function of the roots is absorbs the water from the soil and supplies to the upper parts of the plant. But what will be happening here means Cuscuta reflexa is a parasitic plant. So it can absorb the food through other plant. That is, it will takes the food from other plants. So how can it get the food from other plants means by penetrating their root-like structures into the other plant. Okay, once go through the diagram of that Cuscuta reflexa in your textbook, ma. Okay, those root-like structures, not exactly we can see them as a roots, root-like structures. Okay, so those root-like structures we are calling them as a hastoria. Okay, and the process of taking food in the body is called, what is called taking food? Ingestion. Taking of food we can call it as ingestion, and that is ingestion, and the digesting food we are calling it as a digestion and absorption, and last one is excreting the waste material through the body, that is through the anus from the body, we are calling it as a defecation. 3 times you have to remember: ingestion, absorption, and defecation. So here they'll ask the process of taking food. Jitendravati, unmute yourself or else I'll remove. The process of taking food in the body is called Soumya. Okay. Taking food in the body is called ingestion. Next, the process of converting fats into small globule-like forms by bile juice is called. Sure. The process of converting fats into small globule-like forms by bile juice is called dash. Very important, ma. Even you can get for 1 mark also. That is emulsification. The emulsification will be done in the, that is by the liver and the duodenum. Okay. So from the liver only the bile will be secreted. Bile juice won't have any enzymes, but the bile, whatever the liver secreted the bile juice can able to digest the fatty particles, that is the lipids. That is, it won't be completely digest. It will make partial digestion. That is conversion of large fatty molecules into small globules. We are calling it as a emulsification. So emulsification will be done by the liver in the duodenum. Next, 20th question. Vitamin B complex and vitamin C are called dash vitamins. So again the vitamins are categorized into 2 types: water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins here. So here vitamin B and C are called water soluble vitamins. So they can easily, these vitamins easily dissolved in the water. So that's why we are calling them as a water soluble vitamins. In other vitamins, that is A, D and K, we can call them as a fat soluble vitamins. Okay. B and C, we are calling them as a water soluble vitamins. And A, D, E, K, we are calling them as a fat soluble vitamins. Okay. And the next one, dash can be avoided by having plenty of roughages in the diet. What will be avoided? Roughages means fiber food. So why we have to suppose to take the fiber food means for easy bowel movements in the intestine. Okay, so what will be added? What will be avoided if we'll take the plenty of roughages or fiber food means constipation. If the food is completely digested, the digestion will that is the completely digested, the excretion will be done easily and smoothly, and we won't affected by any that is such type of problem like constipation like that. So how the constipation will be avoided means here by having plenty of roughages or fiber food. That is fiber food means we'll be having the food. For example, fruits, oranges and citrus fruit, they will be very rich in the fibers. Okay, so 21 answer is constipation. And eating a food that doesn't have one or more than one nutrient in required amount is known as malnutrition. Remember, very important. But sometimes you can get for essay. So they'll ask what is malnutrition. So malnutrition means eating a food that doesn't have one or more than one nutrient in required amount is known as malnutrition. Okay. So I think all of you get corrected. Get corrected, Nama. So some more bits are there. I'll give you 5 more minutes to do those bits. Note down those bits also. No need, just answer. No need to note down the questions. Just answer them. Okay. So the continuation of this. Wait a minute, Ma. Wait a minute. So 21st. Okay. Okay. 22. So 22. Here. Okay, 22 we completed. Answer from 23rd onwards. I am giving you only 5 minutes time. So 23, 24, 25, 26, these are the bits. And here they had given the key answers. So no need hitting down, only they had given the answers. So let me discuss them. So chemical name of vitamin D is, what is the chemical name of vitamin D? Calciferol. Okay. Next, dash are micronutrients required in small quantities. So what are micronutrients means? Vitamins and minerals. So actually you can call vitamins and minerals as the micronutrients. So here the answer is, you can mention both are one. The food that is digested in the stomach is, what is that? The food what we can, that is here they didn't ask in the process what the food is formed here means chyme. Okay, కడుపులో డైజెస్ట్ అయిన ఫుడ్ ని ఏమంటాము అంటున్నారు. సో ఖైమ్ అంటాం. సో హియర్ 3 different names are there. So whenever the food is digested in the mouth లో partial digestion జరుగుతుంది. We are calling it as a bolus. ఆఫ్టర్ ఆ బోలస్ అనేది స్టమక్ లోకి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఇంకా ఫర్దర్ డైజెషన్ జరుగుతుంది, దాని ఖైమ్ అని అంటారు. ఆ స్టమక్ నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఫార్వర్డెడ్ టు ద ఇంటెస్టైన్. ఇంటెస్టైన్ లో డైజెషన్ జరుగుతుంది, స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్. ఆ స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్ లో డైజెస్ట్ అయిన ఫుడ్ ని ఖైల్ అని అంటారు. రిమెంబర్ దీస్ త్రీ నేమ్స్ అన్న, బోలస్ ఇన్ ద మౌత్, ఖైల్ ఇన్ ద స్టమక్, ఖైల్ ఇన్ ద స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్. Okay, and the movement of food in the esophagus is dash movement. So what type of movement means peristaltic movement. Okay, so these are the bits of first lesson. So I am not going to give only these the bits. I am giving you just the model. Like this the model, that is tomorrow objective type I will give you. No need to worry, objective type. So from first line to last, that is even including the key points also, you have to refer the once read the lesson. Okay, 2 lessons I am planning to conduct. Is it okay to you? 2 lessons or 1 lesson? We completed 2 lessons, nutrition and respiration. I am asking your opinion. Unmute your microphones and answer my question. Can you write the nutrition only 1 lesson or 2 lessons? So if you are not answering means I'll conduct 2 lessons. Okay, I am going to conduct you the 2 lessons. So by this evening or afternoon, I am going to send you the exam timetable, on which day we will having the exam. Tomorrow morning we will have the exam, I think so, physics exam. వినిపించుకుంటా. అవునా, మంచిది. మీరందరూ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి తల్లులారా. మీరు ఫస్ట్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి, మీ గోలని ఎక్కువైంది నాకు. మీరేం అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవద్దండి. ఓకే, న్యూట్రిషన్ రెస్పిరేషన్ 2 లెసన్స్ పెడతాను. ఓకేనా, టైం అవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వండి. టైం అవుట్ అయిందంటే కనెక్ట్ అవ్వండి. 10 minutes ఎక్స్ట్రా తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, వినిపిస్తుందా ఏదన్నా? ఓకేమా, సమ్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్స్. సో ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే మోడల్ వచ్చేసి 20 మార్క్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తాను. 10 బిట్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఒక లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ ఉంటుంది, 2 షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఒక లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్, 2 షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్. ఓకేనా, సో చూద్దాం how the answers, how I'll frame the answer, how I'll frame the questions to you. Okay, see here a picture I am showing you. So like this the picture I'll give you over there. Okay, so by showing this picture I'll frame the question. So example, I'll ask what is the above diagram indicates. Okay, you can answer that to prove that leaves contain the starch. And the second question, how the second question I will frame, what are the apparatus required here? By seeing only you can answer it. What are the apparatus required here? A test tube with water, a beaker with water, a test tube, a leaf, well exposed leaf, a burner, and a petri dish. So by seeing that labeling only you can able to answer. Okay, and what is the solution here? What is the solution is used to decolorize the leaf? So by if you want మీకు ఆన్సర్ తెలిసిండాలి అంటే you have to once go through that topic. Okay, so I'll show you one more model. ఒక మోడల్ చూస్తాను, డైరెక్ట్ గా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్న మోడల్ చూస్తాను. టైం అవుట్ అవుతే మళ్ళీ లాగిన్ అవ్వండి. See here. So this is the diagram, hydrilla leaf experiment. We already know that. So name of physiological process being studied. So what is the physiological process being studied here? To prove that oxygen is released during photosynthesis. That is the physiological process. And what is the aim of the experiment? Sorry, the name of the physiological process being studied means release of oxygen. Aim means to prove that oxygen is released during experiment from the green leaves. Name an alternative plant that can be used instead of hydrilla. ఏ ప్లాంట్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, వాటర్ ప్లాంట్స్ ని యూజ్ చేయాలి ఫర్ దిస్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్. వాట్ వీ లర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్, దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ వాట్ దే హ్యాడ్ గివెన్ మీన్స్ ఎలోడియా. హైడ్రిల్లా కాకుండా ఇంకా ఏది వాడచ్చు అంటే ఎలోడియా వాడచ్చు. ఇస్ ద ప్రికాషన్ దట్ ఆర్ టు బి టేకెన్ వైల్ కండక్టింగ్ ద ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్. ఏం ప్రికాషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఆ వాటర్ లెవెల్ అనేది స్టెమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫన్నల్ కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉండాలి టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ లో. ఓకేనా, టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ లో ఆ ఫన్నల్ కంటే తక్కువగా ఉండదు. స్టెమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫన్నల్ కంటే వాటర్ లెవెల్ టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ లో ఎక్కువగా ఉండాలి. అది మనం ఇక్కడ తీసుకునే ప్రికాషన్స్. మళ్ళీ మనం టెస్ట్ ఫర్ గ్యాస్ చేస్తాం. ఆ టెస్ట్ ఫర్ గ్యాస్ చేసేటప్పుడు వైల్ రిమూవింగ్ ద టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ we are very attentively we have to close the mouth of the test whenever we are getting into the air. బయటికి తీసేటప్పుడు, అది బయటికి ఎక్స్పోజ్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు ఆ టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ ని మెల్లగా తీయాలి. బయటికి తీసేటప్పుడు బయటికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత దాని మౌత్, ఆ టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్ యొక్క మౌత్ ని మన తమ్ముతో క్లోజ్ చేయాలి. లేదంటే అందులో కలెక్ట్ అయిన గ్యాస్ అంతా కూడా బయటికి లీక్ అవుట్ అవుతుంది. మనం టెస్ట్ చేయలేం ఆ టెస్ట్ ఫర్ గ్యాస్ అనేది. ఓకేనా? సో లైక్ దిస్ I'll ask you the questions. Okay. So by showing you the diagram, I'll ask the questions. Okay. Got it, Amma? So this is the first lesson for you. So all of you got an idea how the answers, how the questions. So total 20 marks, 10 marks per bit. Okay. 5 marks for one long answer and 5 marks for one long answer and for 5 marks 2 short answers I will give you. 2.5. Okay. So what you will do means once go through the lesson, entire lesson from where I won't give you the direct questions. Now we discuss the direct bits, but I won't give you the direct bits. The bits will be now. Now it is okay. There ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా? బిట్స్ అనేవి డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇవ్వనమ్మా, అన్ని అప్లికేషన్ మోడ్ లో ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు బిట్స్ కొన్ని అన్ని కూడా డైరెక్ట్ గానే ఉన్నాయి, కానీ అలాగ ఇవ్వను. సో మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ చదివితేనే ఆన్సర్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే. సో నో నీడ్ టు యాడ్ టు ద లింక్ అమ్మా, ఈ క్లాస్ లోనే అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి. సో గో త్రూ ద లెసన్. సో టుమారో ఐల్ డిస్కస్ రెస్పిరేషన్. ఐ రెడీ టు రైట్ ద సెకండ్ లెసన్ ఆల్సో. ఇంకో లెసన్ కూడా రాస్తారా? ఒకటే లెసన్ చాలా? ఒక లెసన్ రాస్తారా? 2 లెసన్స్ రాస్తారా? చాట్ మీ అమ్మా, మెసేజ్ చేయండి, చాట్ బాక్స్ లో మెసేజ్ చేయండి. 2 లెసన్సా 1 లెసన్ అనేది. ఆర్ఎల్స్ వాట్సాప్ దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాను. ఆల్రెడీ నేను న్యూట్రిషన్ ఒకటి వర్క్ షీట్ పెట్టినట్టున్నాను మీకు. ఇంతకుముందే వర్క్ షీట్ చేశారు మీరంతా కూడా. ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా కండక్ట్ చేశాను నేను. సో ఒకసారి మీరు డిసైడ్ అయ్యి 1 చాప్టర్ 2 చాప్టర్ డిసైడ్ అయ్యి నాకు మెసేజ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ అప్ టు ఓన్లీ 1 అవర్. ఒక 1 అవర్ ఇస్తాను. లేదు అంటే అగైన్ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ ద రివిజన్ వెన్ ఎవర్ విల్ హ్యావ్ ద ఎగ్జామ్. బిఫోర్ డే ఈవినింగ్ ఆ రోజు సెకండ్ లెసన్ చెప్పుకుందాం. అప్పట్లోపల ఈ ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ కంప్లీట్ చేసేయండి, కంప్లీట్ గా చదవండి. ఐ థింక్ సో 2 చాప్టర్స్ ఆర్ బెటర్, ఎందుకంటే 2 months కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాయి. సో 2 చాప్టర్స్ వస్తే బాగుంటుంది మీరు. ఓకేనా? So I'm going to 2 chapters. I'm going to give you the exam, conduct the exam for 2 chapters.